of this?
Why did you kiss me?
Hey, he will try this nonsense. Hey, I'm talking to you. He will try this nonsense again. You see what I'll do to you?
Don't take the drink.
What nonsense? Stupid man! Idiot! Can you imagine who is that guy?
I don't even know him. Why did he kiss me?
You will have to kiss you like that now. And you just give him your mouth.
I didn't know he was coming there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Take your drink.
Okay, alright, baby,
Drink.
let me just use the washroom. I just want to ease myself.
Wow.
I'm coming.
Are
I
you
don't like
sure?
the way that guy just kissed me. I don't like it.
Watch
I'm
this
coming. Let me
video.
ease myself.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll be back
Watch
now.
the video.
Okay?